What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm just here showing off my new little lighting rig. Well, not necessarily new. We had this light, right, and then I had this bar, and then I guess the progression, ultimately I knew I was going to end up having to get a second light. That was always the goal, to have these two lights. Now I know in a previous video people had messaged me, why did I get the Multimatch 3 and not the Multimatch 8? So these two right here, I mean, just one is more than enough, I would think. I just like to have two because I can, and why not? I know it's stupid, but it is what it is. I just really love these lights, and honestly, for the price, I got two really awesome lights that I'm very excited about because you can have wireless on them, which both batteries are right there, or you can have them plugged in, which just gives me infinite use. Plus, there's Bluetooth compatibility with both. They're both set right now to 6500 Kelvin. I don't know why one is appearing to be brighter. Hold on. That would be why. Yep. Yeah, that'll do it. Oh my god. So this is like an excessive amount of light. But wait, there's more. I still got my little Multimatch R, which, you know, that in and of itself throws out some serious lighting. And then I got the handheld. This thing is pretty bright also. And, you know, all together, you could definitely get a comparable, if not maybe, who knows, even better lighting situation for probably a little less money. But for what I need for my needs, and I'm a brand whore, this is best case situation for me. I even did a video showing this. This thing is completely acceptable. Also, I see a bunch of people, bunch of detailers, they have the Milwaukee light, that big tall one, and yeah, that does pretty good too. But this is just serious lightage, and I don't know, I'll be honest, I just really like the way it looks. What I am considering, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or not, but I am considering the rolling light tripod, because this is cool, but now this is a heavy unit, because now I've got, you know, two lights on here, and you know, it's taken on a whole other life. So I kind of want to get the rolling tripod. I would just have to figure out where I'm going to store that, because I think on the rolling tripod there's an option on the bottom of it to attach this with that hook, which I think would be great, because I did have that option. If you watched the video before this, at some point I did put the magnetic base down there to do just that. But this tripod is sturdy as all hell, and I really like it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might pick up the rolling tripod. I might not. I don't know. But this is definitely a serious lighting situation. But let me get to the app. So we pull up the ScanGrip app, and I think what we do is we're gonna push Bluetooth and Bluetooth. And I think yeah, here we go. We refresh, and we can control both. That's cool. What does that do? Oh, okay, so it doesn't do much. Alright, so control. Alright, so you can select, obviously it doesn't have the different, let me turn off the other light in here, so we have only this light. So the app looks like this, where I could dim, I guess, yeah, whoa, I could dim the Kelvin units, I can lower the brightness, and I don't know, oh, you can enter a pin too if you wanted to. That's cool. So if I wanted to keep it that low, put it that high, this is actually like game-changing, incredible for me. And then I can just turn it off due to very high optical. Oh, okay. Well, damn. Now, how do I go back? Oh, units, okay. So then I can click. Alright, and then I click control. Okay, so I can go to the second one. So now say I want both of these at 25%. So how would I go back? Units, control, let's go back to the first one. We're gonna put that one at 25. Wow. Yeah, so having this, I mean, here's the deal. I'm gonna have it on a tripod. Bluetooth is gonna help if I have it open, especially if I'm listening to music, which I usually will be, or would be listening to music on my phone with my headset on. So I could just dim this down. I could be like, all right, let's get a different type of light, and you know, I've got all the control, and I can just turn it off. So it really is a pretty cool setup to have on the app. The Bluetooth connectivity of it is just pretty awesome, and personally I feel like it adds a lot. So obviously, you know, running this thing full tilt boogie at 6500K and 100% is going to get you, I believe, like they said, an hour or less. Not a whole lot of time, but you know, the adjustability of this tripod, the connectivity of this with the Bluetooth, and honestly just how badass it looks. I know that doesn't matter to some people, but to me it absolutely does. I buy products, you know, obviously for functionality, but the badass effect, the badasseriness, if that's a word, that also has to play a role. I switched my detailing cart, not just for function, but for looks. I like black and red. Red is one of my favorite colors. Black and red is one of my favorite color themes. It's a very apparent theme that keeps appearing in my life over and over again. So much so that when I saw this, I was like, oh, that's orange and black. But then I was like, okay, I should probably buy this, even though I had that. So now I've got two things that do the same thing, because I had to have one that was red and black, and also had to have headphones that were red and black, and I had to have a red thing here, and I bought this because this was red and black. It just doesn't stop. I got that because that was red and black. I think you get the picture. But yeah, I think this is pretty freaking sweet. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about the setup, and we'll go from there, and we'll see what we can do. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate it. This is the new setup for right now. I'll probably most likely run this wired for most of the time. There are going to be times where I would possibly put the wireless battery on there and put it on the ground if I need, you know, a little something different. I'm even thinking about possibly getting, there's this little attachment that you can put this on the wall to have like a magnetic thing. We'll see. Not too sure how I'm gonna run it, but it's here. It was pricey. I think these are like $290 each, and $100 something for this. But you know what, lighting is one of the most important things. I will never take it for granted, because without light you can't see, you know, imperfections, see what you're doing, and it's just a giant pain in the ass. So this is a super beneficial thing for me, especially if I'm doing a correction and, you know, I'm trying to scope out what's going on. I got a new vehicle coming, and probably won't show up until the end of the year, but at the end of the day I need all the lighting I can get so I can see what the hell is going on here, and properly correct, properly prepare my paint to accept protection, and that's what this is for. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next one.